said, yep.
Oh, you balanced that?
No, I didn't. I thought you said it sounds good. Taxi out!
Man's like, I'm waiting.
I'm taking off! Taking off! Perfect timing.
Alright, Ken, you're clear. Come on in.
Gear up.
Clear!
Perfect timing. Whoa, thermals. Uh-oh, crashed. Uh-oh, that was clear. Whoa, this thing's really affected by thermals.
Time remaining.
I can put one in.
7 minutes.
I know you are. You're the one who was always telling, you know, I thought it was always me that was against him. I heard it and I'm like, it's coming closer. Dude, I thought he was going to touch down already. Shit, I can't do anything. Alright, diving down. Okay. This is 4S, so I can go for like 12 minutes. I haven't even put the 5S in here yet.
Time remaining. 6 minutes.
Please hurry up and turn that off. Oh, I didn't even know the plane yet.
We need like a bunch of these red girls flying.
I know.
It's a B-17.
Oh, nobody's here. Oh, sweet. Oh, great. Here, watch this. Oh my God, what's that? Is it that freaking P-47?
Time remaining. 5 minutes.
Still needs right. There we go. Okay. Oh my God. Lopez! Oh my God. Lopez from the left.
You know who I miss flying with?
Who? Oh yeah, but he won't ever. Dude, see Brandon, you're gonna watch this and you're gonna be like, I know, I never come fly. You need to come out and fly. I almost flew with him this week, but we didn't. We never hooked up. Rancho. But I haven't flown with him in almost a year, man. All right, Lopez from the left. That's full power. Oh my God, just do something already. Cool, F-16's cool. Lopez from the left.
Oh,
climbing on me.
Yeah. Wind's picking up. You know what that means?
Woohoo! Babe, I love it.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Low pass from the left.
That sounds
We'll do a photo pass. Kinda.
Oh, you trying to do a photo pass?
Tried to.
Come on. Speed up the day.
I see him. Ah. Low pass from the left.
Someone coming to land. Hold on, hold on.
No, low pass.
Someone's landing. This guy. Yeah, he's landing. He's landing. Yeah.
I'm not. I'll be up for a while.
Time remaining 1 second.
I got 2
Time
minutes.
remaining 2 minutes.
So Robert can see if he can get it down. And I'm just flying full bore. I haven't even had to pull the throttle back. Look, I don't even have to hold it. I'm gonna fly over Robert. I hope it doesn't bother him.
Woo. Nice, Bernie, man.
Right into the sun. Yep, come out. This thing flies better with 5S, but I like the Forest because it goes a long time. I can fly 5S for almost at 9 minutes. Oh shit, he lost control. What? Seriously? That's a big plane to lose control of.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Can't even hear it coming.
She just said 4.
What?
You just said full throttle right.
Yeah. Look. Low pass from the left. Guy with the plane can't even hear me.
Thirty seconds.
Is he going to take off finally? Oh, I'm going to stand behind this thing.
No.
10, 9,
I've got another 2 minutes.
Maybe in like 2
7,
minutes.
6, 5,
But I think he's
4, 3,
taking off.
2, 1. Time expired.
This thing flies forever. Alright, now I can move back. Right, this thing's gas. And I'm flying. No, that plane is gas. I'm flying faster than it. What the fuck? This should not be happening.
That's funny. They have chicken down.
Oh, wait, maybe not now. Okay. Okay, landing from the left!
Landing from the left!
Down.
Yell it again.
Landing from the left! Gear pass and then landing.
Watch out for that.
I see it. That's why I hate gas, you can't hear. Let them know I get. Woohoo, sink. Jesus.
This is the B, right?
Yeah. Runway clear! No, this is FMS. But it was originally a Snoot Sniper. And I I
Blue,
repainted it,
right?
yeah.
I remember that. And then you red tailed the shit out of it.
That's right.